Instagram's Threads, seemingly the Twitter destroyer, has arrived. In less than 12 hours, it had already 30 million signups. I mean, I signed up within the first 24 hours. Twitter has been one of the most popular platforms for breaking news and virality, and for the very first time, we see a real competition step in and take that all away from Twitter. Today, we are doing a full overview and a full tutorial of the brand new Threads app. We'll be sharing tips, strategies, and we'll tell you why this could be the most important social platform for you, and basically everything else that you need to know about Threads. Hey everyone, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn more about online businesses, mindset, and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Threads is a social networking app made by Meta, also the maker of Instagram and Facebook. Threads lets you see the feed of everything that's going on with your friends or the people who you follow or the people who you may be interested in. You can post your own messages, and these could be in the form of text, photos, or even videos. And of course, you can like and comment and share. We will start off with how you can get Threads, and then we will navigate through the app to show you how you can use it. Let's go. One thing I would like to mention is that in order for you to use the Threads app, you need to have an Instagram account. Both these accounts are linked and your username will also be the same. Along with that, some of the backend infrastructures are also the same. We'll jump right into the tutorial, but this is what is my experience from using Threads for a week now. For me personally, I think this is a great app. We've seen a lot of social media companies come and go in popularity. We've had BeReal, Clubhouse, Vero, and they all looked very promising, but none of them could live up to the expectations. So you might be thinking, what makes Threads so different? For starters, everyone is already there, and Instagram did this switch flawlessly. The fact that you can immediately import everything from Instagram and sign up within seconds, like literally in seconds, that's amazing. The migration is so simple and so easy, and you can transfer everything from Instagram to your Threads, and not only your things, you can also move your following. A big reason why I think it will not fail is because it's directly linked to Meta. In the past, Meta has taught us that if anything fails, that will not be the end of its use. It'll somehow be a part of the platform, and your time and your work will not be a waste. For example, if you remember IGTV, that didn't do so well, and now that's become part of Instagram videos. Head to threads.net on your phone and then click on this button at the bottom. This will take you to the App Store or the Play Store, and then you can install Threads. Another way to get Threads is through the Instagram app. In the top right corner, click on the hamburger menu and then click on Threads. This will then show you this card, and this says that you've been invited to Threads, and this will also bring you to the App Store. Now that you've finished installing the app and taken a quick scroll through your feed, congrats, you have now officially joined Threads. So the app starts with a home view button at the bottom left-hand corner. And this is of course your feed, which shows all the content from all different people you follow or you might be interested in. The posts are in the form of text, pictures, and you'll also come across videos. As for commenting and liking, it's pretty similar to any other social platform. You can like or share your thoughts. You can also repost this message just as is, or you can add your quote or thoughts when you're reposting it. You can also share this message. There are a few different options on how you can share them, and you can also share to your Instagram stories if you want. At the very bottom of the app is the navigation bar with all the icons. So after the home view button is the search button. So here you can search for new accounts, or down below you can see the list of recommended accounts. As an example, let's go inside Camila Coelho's account. So now we're inside her account, and this is how she has set her bio up. She says, share love wherever you go, and founder and creative director of the name of her brand. So far she's composed a couple of posts, and some of them are of her family, and then one of her closet which has a photo, and as you can see it also has a video. Up here on her profile there is a link which is her Linktree link, which takes you to all other different channels of Camila Coelho. After the search button, next we have the compose button. Now this opens up this box where you can compose your very own thread. You can write up to 500 characters of text, or you can include up to 5 minutes of video. So let's go ahead and do a post. Your life is as good as your mindset. You can click below here to change the settings of who can reply to your threads before you post. If you click on the clip icon, this will take you to your gallery, and you can add a photo or a video if you like. Once you click post, it will get posted and you can view your post here. And now I am in my profile, and this is what I have just posted. These are all the other activities and posts of my account. And this post also from me an hour ago, and then I also have reposted this. Down below you can see I have posted these photos. These are photos of my son, and I was also able to tag him. And of course, if I click on his name, that will take us to his account. On the right side under replies, you can see all your replies and activities. To edit your profile, you can click here and add your bio. If nothing is added yet, Threads will also give you the option to import everything from Instagram. You can add a link if you want. You can also turn your profile to private. You'll notice that the account name has a lock on it, and this cannot be changed. If you want a different name, you'll have to go to Instagram app to change the name. On the top right, if you click here, it will bring you to the settings. Here you can change all your settings as per your preference. As you have more friends and followers, you'll see more notifications. In the navigation bar, if you click the heart icon, that will bring you to the notification center. Here you can see a summary of all of your activities going on. Under all, you can see all of the activities that's happening. You can see all of these people who followed me, and then under replies are the replies that I did. Under the mention is where I was mentioned in someone else's post, and under the verified you can find out if anyone who's verified is following you and reached out to you. We've seen in the past, whenever an app gets launched or a new feature in an app gets launched, a lot of people starts to make a lot of money. After TikTok was launched, a lot of creators who joined early, their careers and their lives changed overnight. You have to understand one thing: when these social media companies launch a new app or a new feature, there's something that they want from their users. What is it that they want? They want us to use them. People have seen overnight success of so many creators on TikTok and even through shorts and reels. Now, how do you grow on these platforms? The only proven way to grow, or for the algorithm to pick your account, is by being consistent with your posting. Join early while the app is at its infant stage and post regularly. You need to be posting as often as you can in a day, not in a week. If you're able to pick a niche, that will obviously be helpful for the growth of your account. But even if not that, just be consistent with your posting and post multiple times a day. Don't expect for results instantly. If you keep posting and be consistent, you'll eventually see the results. Personally, I'm really excited and looking forward to see the potential of the Threads app. So that was an overview of the brand new Threads app. What do you think of this app? Did you sign up, or do you see yourself using it? Let us know all of that in the comments below. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.